Hey everyone, welcome back. So today we have an incredibly useful topic for streamlining your subscriber management process inside any of your email marketing tool. So today we are using Sender application for email marketing, and here I'm going to show you how you can unsubscribe a subscriber from a group in Sender automatically from your Google Sheets. And to build this automation, we are not using any coding. So if you want to learn this, stay tuned. Let's get started. To set up this automation, we are using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool, and this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. To reach here, you can use the link that I have pasted in the description. From there, you can sign up for free and you will get free automation tasks every month. After that, you can sign in to reach here. From here, click on this create workflow button. Here you can provide a suitable name to your workflow. So let me give a name here. So I have given this name here. Now let me click on create button and you can see the workflow page is loading up. And on this page, guys, you will find the basic building blocks of the automation, which are the trigger and the action. So guys, trigger is saying when this happens. That means when any event occurs in one application, action is going to perform any action in different application automatically. So guys, in our use case, I am using a spreadsheet here in Google Sheets application in which I have added the details of my subscribers, and the same list I have here in Sender application in this group. Let me show you. Here I have groups in Sender. Okay, and here also I have the data of my subscribers. Now guys, what I want to do here, when I'm going to check this column here as unsubscribe, the workflow should trigger and unsubscribe the same person in Sender. For that to happen, first of all, in the trigger, you have to search for the trigger application, which is Google Sheets in our case. And the trigger event would be a new row, new or updated spreadsheet row. Okay. Then it will provide you this webhook URL. With the help of this, you need to create a connection with Google Sheets by following these steps written here. So these are really simple steps that you can follow. Or what you can do, just click on this watch tutorial link and you will reach our YouTube channel. Here we have a separate video for enabling webhook connection in Google Sheets. Okay, so you can watch this video and learn it and make the connection. After creating a connection, when you copy this URL, let me show you. When you copy this URL to create the connection, it will start showing waiting for the webhook's response. This means you can perform a test submission. Test submission means you can bring some test data from your spreadsheet to here in this response, and with the help of that test data, we can build this automation. So let me bring the test data here. So here you can see, guys, this is how you can capture the response from the spreadsheet, the test data. Here you can see the subscription status is showing unsubscribe. The spreadsheet's name is unsubscribe from Sender. You can see unsubscribe from Sender, status is unsubscribe. Here you can see the sheet's name, the row index where the data is coming, number 2. From number 2 the data is coming, and here you can see we have received dummy name as the name, group name is Pabbly Connect, and this is the email address, and these are the same things we have here. Right, so after getting this data, what we want, we need to unsubscribe from Sender. So first of all, I'm going to look for this person in Sender's database, Sender's group. For that, we need to connect Sender here in the section window. Search for Sender application. Then use the action event as search subscriber via email address. Search subscriber. Okay, then click on connect. From here, select add new connection. To connect with Sender, you need to enter the API key of Sender here, which you will find under the settings. Let me show you. This is Sender application, guys, and here on the left hand side panel you can see the settings option. You can open it, and here you will find this API access token section. From here you can get this API key. You can just copy this token and paste it here in this field, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Sender like this. Then it is asking for the email address to enter. So here you have to map this email address that you have received from the trigger. So to map this label here, you just need to click on this field and the previous step will appear in the drop down. And from here you can map this email label like this. Okay. Now click on save and send test request button. And here you can see guys, we have received the response, and here it will start showing this data ID label in which you will get this kind of value. This means that this person is present in sender's group. Okay, so you will get the details here, and you will get the group's name also. The group name is Pabbly Connect only. Okay, now we got the data, and now I want to unsubscribe it. So from here, click on this plus icon to add one more action window, and here search for sender again, and then you have to select the action event as remove subscriber from group. Okay, because we want to remove the subscriber from group. So after selecting this, click on connect button. From here, now we can use our existing connection. Guys, every connection that you make is saved in your account, so we are already connected with sender. So if you want to make this connection again, use the existing option and then click on save again. So you will be connected again. No need to fill the API key repeatedly. Okay. Then it will ask for the group's name and the subscriber's ID. Okay. So guys, you can map both of these things. Just toggle this map button to on. And here you have to enter the group's ID. So guys, in the previous step, you can see we have received the group's name. Okay. And here in this subscriber tag 0 ID label, you will get the group ID. So you can map this data subscriber tag label here in this field. Just erase this data. And from this last step, map this subscriber label. Okay. So the group ID is mapped. Now toggle this map button to on for the subscriber. And here, before mapping this subscriber's ID, just enter square brackets here like this, square brackets. Okay, close it, and under here put double quotation marks like this, and under these two things and map the ID which you got here in the second step. Here is the data ID label. This is the ID of the subscriber. Just map it like this. Okay, according to the instructions written here. You can map multiple subscribers as well, putting commas in between like this. Okay, right now I am mapping only one. Now you can check your connection with sender by clicking on save and send test request button, and this subscriber will be removed from the group. First of all, let me show you the group I have. So guys, this is the group Pabbly Connect under sender, and these are the subscribers. This was the one which we have mapped. You can see dummy name was the name, and this is the email address. And right now we have 4 subscribers here. And let me click on save and send test request button here, and let's see if that subscriber got removed from the group or not. So here you can see guys, we have received the response. Removed tag is showing up here. So let's check in sender. Let me refresh this page, and here you can see guys, the subscribers was removed from here, and the 3 subscribers only left here. Okay, so this is how it is going to work. So it's working fine, and we are done setting up the automation, and you have to set up it only once. After that, it will work automatically whenever you are going to add the row or update the row here in the spreadsheet. The workflow will trigger and remove the subscriber that you have added here in this spreadsheet automatically in sender. And I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description so that you can clone this workflow in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.